Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add emotions to stickers on InShot. So in here, I've already opened the InShot apps and I'm going to just start by clicking on a video and choose the video that I want to add it. So for example, in here, I've already choose this videos right here. I'm going to add stickers into this video. So if you want to add the stickers, you can just tap on the stickers button in here, click on a sticker and find the stickers that you want to. I'm going to, let's say, add this stickers right here. You can click on a check icon and adjust the duration of the sticker. Here you can adjust the position, and to animate or add motions to the sticker, you just need to use keyframes on InShot. First, click on the stickers on a timeline and there will be this keyframe button at the top, this one. You can just move forward the playhead. You can just go like this, and if you want to add motion, you can just move the stickers like this. So when you play it, it will move just like this. And you can also add motion more than once, so you can just move it like this, move it again if you want to. So this will be the result for the motions on stickers. If you want to, you can also add ease. So what you need to do is just go in between the keyframes just like this, click on ease, so you can add grabs here into the stickers like this, for example. So just choose the grabs that you want for the motion. So that's how you can add motion into the sticker animations on InShot. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks. Bye.